Welcome to our Care Worker Training Series. In this video, we'll be providing a step-by-step guide on how to make a bed properly as a care worker. We'll demonstrate the process of making a bed and provide tips on how to ensure that your patient is comfortable and safe. Good morning, Mrs. Johnson. How did you sleep last night? Good morning, Mrs. Johnson. How did you sleep last night? I slept well, thank you. I slept well, thank you. That's great to hear. I'm here to help you with your daily tasks. Let's start with making your bed. That's great to hear. I'm here to help you with your daily tasks. Let's start with making your bed. As a care worker, it's important to know how to make a bed properly. First, remove all the bedding and shake it out. Then, smooth out the fitted sheet and tuck it in tightly. Next, add the flat sheet and blanket, making sure they are centered. Finally, add the pillows and any decorative touches. There you go, Mrs. Johnson. Your bed looks nice and neat. There you go, Mrs. Johnson. Your bed looks nice and neat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Remember to change the bedding at least once a week. And wash it in hot water to kill any germs. I'll be back later to check on you again. I'll be back later to check on you again. Thanks for watching our bed making training video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you're interested in learning more about care work or improving your English skills, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for your support.